Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about how you can fix your Wi-Fi problem if your Wi-Fi is not connecting or crashes sometimes. How you can fix it in Galaxy M05. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to simply open your settings, then you can scroll down and click on accessibility. You will see here it is reset. If you not find it, just click on search and here you have to write reset, then click on this reset Wi-Fi. First click on reset and press back. Then you have to do the second step, go to apps. Here you have to search, click on three dots and search over here system setting web view, then click on it. Here it is storage, just clear the cache. And the third step is just click on search again and here you have to write Google and scroll down. You will see Google Play Services, clear cache, also this. Go to storage and clear cache and this will fix your problem. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.